What's up, guys? Today we're going to change the oil and replace the oil filter on the Dodge Ram 2500. So mine, just so you see, is an extended cab and all that stuff, but it wouldn't quite matter because it's going to be the same way. The good thing about this is it's already so high on the ground that I don't need to lift like this here, right? I got to lift and all that stuff. This is already good to roll. We're gonna use 530 mobile ones, and I got the Weeks XP is for full synthetic oils, and this is the model. I'm gonna put links of all those things down here, but I got this on a sale for less than $30. We're gonna use 7 quarts, but it's always cheaper to buy 5 quarts at a time, so we're gonna use 1.5, around 1.5, replacing the filter. Otherwise you're gonna use a little less. So first we gotta get a bucket and let the oil drip. You don't want to it's recyclable, so people can reuse the oil. So as you see, we're going down here. Car is parked. I didn't put anything under the tires, but I have the brakes and everything, and if something happens, the truck is just going straight and it's not going to hit me whatsoever. So you need to be sure that you are safe before doing anything. Here is the front of the engine. Okay, so you keep going down. This is the oil pan, so rusty, I might need to get a new one soon. And this is the little bolt that you need to open. The thing is, this is so high because my truck is lifted that this is gonna be tricky. So I'm getting a 13mm, and someone complained the other day that I don't put the wrench all the way. Man, it's super hard when you have a camera and I'm trying to get a good view for you guys. So the other trick is you push the bolt, so I'm pushing against there. Ideally I would hold that to be sure that it's gonna fall inside. And now I know that it's all unscrewed. I'm gonna take it out. There you go. Look at that, right in there. I'm gonna put this way a little bit, let it drip, and we're gonna come back. I'm gonna come and clean this here. Alright, so when you see that this is over, it's all done, it's time to put the bolt in there, and we're gonna remove the filter, which is right in here. So usually it should just come out. Then you might need a tool like this, so you put this inside and twist. I'm gonna use it just for the sake, but you might not need it. And now we're gonna dispose it on a thingy that we can recycle. So there you go. Wow, very. I still need to have the bucket on the bottom because there is oil in there, and this here goes in, open all the way, and you gotta try to see. There you go. So you need just the first click. And I'm gonna put this here because I don't want any mess in there. So you just unscrew it. Oh God, no! Oh, it already had a mess in there. There you go. I'm gonna let it drip. I missed some. I got here on the floor. Alright, so you can see right here, it is full of oil, and also whatever dripped in here. So you don't want that. You want to clean as much as you can from here, just to be sure that you have a good seal, but from here to be sure you don't get a false, it's dripping oil. And what we're going to do is we're going to get the new filter, and you see there's a little rubber. So I'm gonna put my finger on the new oil, and I'm just going to go around that rubber. There you go, just to get a better seal. And some people just fill this up with oil. I think the oil is gonna end up there anyway. And there you go. So usually you just tighten by hand and it is good, but I am going to get this guy open up and just tighten a bit more. There you go. Nothing crazy, I just want to be sure that this is tight enough, and that's it. I think I end up tightening too much. Alright, one more thing I'm gonna do before we proceed is I'm gonna get the oil. I'm gonna clean this. Wow, it is huge. And there you go. Sorry, it's 27 degrees out here. And there you go. This engine deserves a little cleaning. And here it also says 520. So all right, so I put 6 quarts, 6.5 I think, and maybe the oil filter is not full yet. Gotta circulate it, but we're gonna check, and it's pretty much on the safe side. It's right here, so we're gonna leave it like that. All the way to the middle is good. I'm gonna leave in here 6.5 quarts. Okay, so let's start the truck. Smooth. And yeah, see, change oil. We gotta reset that also. So yeah. So I drop a little bit of oil in there. It might smoke. You just need to be sure that you don't have oil in your exhaust, and it should be good to go. So now let's reset the gauges. So this is how it is. You turn the key on and you're gonna see change oil right in there. Yep. So you do key off, key on, and you step on the gas 1, 2, 3 times, and then key off. And now when you do key on, it should not come up again. There you go. And that's it, guys. Easy as it is. I run the truck, check the level again. 6.5 work for me. Manual says 7, or if you search online it's going to say 7. But this is a HEMI 2008 Dodge Ram 2500. Dodges are going to be the same. If you got a 1500, it's going to be the same thing if it has the same engine. So yeah, hope this helps you. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the little bell button, and see you later. Look past my face. See status. I mean, it's a McDonald's. 20 miles.